So tired after those classes. Almost to the rooftop. I have to save them! Come back! Got them! Oh, they're soaked! This kimchi is so good. And the ramen is perfect with it. It's so cozy in the rain.
The ramen's perfect.
It's pouring. Let's cross together.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, sorry, our umbrellas.
No problem, it's kinda cute.
It is. This sushi is so good.
It is. Here, try this kimbap.
Thank you.
So tasty. Are perfect. This rain makes me feel so lonely sometimes.
I know. University stress and homesickness are tough.
Yeah.
It's getting worse!
Hold on tight!
The lights! Let's upgrade our ramen. Kimchi, egg, and cheese?
Yeah, and green onions. It smells amazing.
Okay, green onions first.
Cheese in my bowl.
And kimchi for the pot.
Perfect. Let's eat.
This is so good.
Right? Perfect for a rainy night.
I'm glad we could do this.
Me too. Let's do it again soon.